Hello everybody, this is Matt from Android Police doing a quick overview of a new app coming out from Nero called NeroKwik. Nero's famous for doing a lot of CD burning apps and other kind of imaging programs, not apps, rather, for Windows, Mac, that kind of stuff. And now they've kind of branched out into cloud sharing photos, because why not? Basically, you will sign in to a Nero account, which you can create when you start up the app. And then it'll prompt you to log in with your Facebook credentials. And the reason behind this is they want to download all your photos onto your tablet and to kind of serve as like a cloud service for that. Any photos you take with your phone, tablet, that kind of stuff, any of your linked devices will show up here automatically. So it works very similar to Dropbox or any of those other kind of cloud apps. Just turn my tablet back on here. I need to work on that. As you can see here, there's an updating photos bar that has not gone away since I started using this app. Even though that all my photos are downloaded, you can see all the screenshots that I've taken here for Android Police. And if we go down far enough, you can see all my embarrassing Facebook photos. This updating photos thing is very frustrating because it makes me feel like the app is still trying to do something when really it isn't. But otherwise, you can kind of see that all these photos are arranged in this view called a tapestry, and you can edit it based on whether the photo has been shared a lot or a completely random sizing. You can also make them all one size, which I just like having them all different sizes just for a variety. However, as you can see, sometimes the thumbnails aren't the clearest things in the world. This kind of needs to be fixed, especially if if it's an app that's counting on eye candy. Having blurry thumbnails really isn't excusable. The idea here is that you can hold down on one image, select a whole bunch. I'm going to select some screenshots from another image or another game I reviewed, and then make a new tapestry. I've already added some, so I'm going to move it to a new tapestry. And then when I go over to the photos, I can go over to the new tapestry I've created, still with the updating photos, and you can see all the images that I've included. I can share this tapestry, or I can share each individual photos. You're not able to share two actually, pretty much what it's going to do is it's going to take the image or the tapestry, put it on their Facebook or on their website, and then it's going to share the link to where it's hosted on their website, which is a bit counterintuitive, because if you're going to be sharing to social networks, you want to make sure that they integrate well with them. And pretty much adding another service on top of Twitter, on top of Instagram, that kind of stuff, very kind of counterproductive, if you will. I also had a lot of trouble with the web service itself. When I clicked on the link to one of my photos, the image did not show up. It said that the preview was unavailable, and that's kind of broken, I hope. Also, sharing tapestries, it may look good on a website or on your tablet like this, but the tapestry also didn't show up, which is kind of just a failure to deliver on basic services. Basically, I can't really recommend this app. It looks alright when you're sitting here and just kind of browsing through photos, but it doesn't give me the option of choosing which albums off Facebook I want to download, which photos from my SD card I want to download, or just kind of to just kind of pare down the amount of photos that I'm bringing in, so I don't always have this updating photos bar. It's really frustrating. It makes me feel that I'm not using the app correctly. Otherwise, there are other gallery apps that do the exact same job that this does, only better. The default Android gallery is pretty great for sharing photos. QuickPic's great for that as well. This just tries to put it into a nice package and kind of make you use the Nero solutions, which ultimately aren't that great. So again, I would give this one a pass, even though it's free. If you're really curious, check it out if you want. If you also want new Android news, hardware reviews, app reviews like this, check out androidpolice.com. You can also follow me on Twitter. Have a great day.